Hey credit cousins, today we are talking about another grant for you all. It's been a month of free money that is available to you, so I hope you are taking advantage. You could be a lucky winner of these grants, and if you do happen to be a lucky winner from learning about the grants from my channel, make sure to come back and let us know. I would love to have you on the channel to share your experience. So this grant that we are talking about is a $10,000 grant for small business owners. The Verizon Small Business Digital Ready Grant. So what is Digital Ready? It's a Verizon small business online curriculum that is designed to give small business like yours the personalized tools to succeed in today's digital world. They offer learning modules, expert coaching, peer networking, access grant opportunities throughout the year, and so much more. They do mention that they have over $1 million in funding and will be awarding a pool of $10,000 grants in small business grants. So my guess is they will be giving out close to 100 grants to small business owners of $10,000. Applicants may apply for one business only and must be 18 years of age to apply. To apply and qualify for this grant, there are 2 steps to this application. Number 1, you must complete 2 online courses or coaching events by June 30th, 2022. Number 2, you must apply to the online application by June 30, 2022, so you have less than 8 days. If you are a current Verizon customer, you will need to create a new account for Verizon Small Business Digital Ready. So when you register for an account, they will ask you about 10 questions regarding your business, and then they will personalize you with courses and learning modules based on your questions that you will see on your online dashboard once you create an account. So to unlock the actual online application for the current round of grant funding, you must complete 2 courses or coaching live events. Most of the online learning modules are about 30 to 45 minutes, and they are self-paced. So it should take you less than 2 hours to finish the 2 courses. Then you will complete the online application to be qualified for this grant. They also have online coaching live events, and they are scheduled through the end of the month. So you can also take advantage of the online live and sit-in, and it will count as well. If you do happen to use your course modules and take more than 2 courses, you can also unlock many other things to get access to, like 2 months of free business service, free 60 days of bookkeeping, and even discounted email marketing for your small business. So I did take the time to go through the 2 required module courses for you all, and I did learn a lot, and it's a great course to learn about certain certifications and licensing that you may need pertaining to your industry. You will not be able to move forward with the application if you do not finish the online courses or coaching live event. So please remember that. So after completing the 2 online courses, it did take me a little over an hour. I had to log out and sign back in to get back to the dashboard where you can see the online application become available. So for the first part of the application, you will fill out your business owner information and your business information such as your name, business address, and website information. Next, you will answer additional questions about your business, such as your business revenue, your industry, and how many employees you have if you do have them. Next, you will answer data about yourself and how you identify identify yourself in your business, such as gender, age, ethnicity, and your business identity. Now, make sure you answer these questions truthfully and make sure you understand how to identify yourself, because the priority of this grant is given to certain groups. Next, you will answer additional questions about your business. It's mostly all multiple choice questions. Then there are 2 questions that you are asked to answer. And the 2 questions asked are, number 1, general comments or other information about you and your business and how C-19 has impacted you and how you would like to share it with us. Now, this is where you want to mention if you in your business were affected by C-19 and maybe introduce your business revenue before and after the event. Now, due to YouTube policies, I can't say the full name. It's considered a very sensitive topic. So this is why I'm saying and changing the text to C-19. But you should know what I mean when I say C-19. But anyways, back to question number 2. Question number 2 says, please describe any ways you have connected with your local community through your business, either before or since the onset of the C-19 pandemic. This is where you can mention how you are involved with your community in volunteer work, giving back, hosting events, offering sales to your community, etc. And that's it. Then you click submit and you have completed the grant to win $10,000 for your business. Again, the deadline is June 30th, 2022. So you have less than 8 days to complete this in order to be eligible to win a $10,000 grant. All applicants will be notified by email about whether or not they have been selected to receive grant funding by July 11th, 2022. They do mention that the priority of the grants will be given to entrepreneurs of color, women, veteran-owned businesses, and other businesses in historically underserved communities who don't have access to flexible, affordable capital, and non-profit organizations are ineligible for this grant. Okay, I will leave a link to the frequently asked questions page in the video description below for this grant if you have additional questions about this grant. Thank you for taking out the time to sit through this video as I go through the entire grant process, but I wanted to make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into and not just a quick okie doke about a grant. So please give me a thumbs up for taking the time to go through this grant for you guys and giving you guys the inside scoop. I really appreciate a thumbs up and even your subscription if you feel like this video brings some value to you. I appreciate that. I really appreciate it as a content creator. You guys keep me going. So I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know in the comments if this grant is worth your time and if you will check this one out. Make sure to check out the grant playlist too, so you can learn about more grants that are available and expiring soon. Make sure to check out the Credit Cousin Club private group where we share our credit tips, tricks, and data points on credit cards, loan approvals, and so much more. So make sure you click the link in the pinned comments in the video description below to join. See you guys in the next one. Let's get it.